guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl, I am back. It's another vlog. It's a Friday today. What's the date? The 22nd of April. I'm going to Retha'S birthday celebration thing. So this look over here is by Beats by Noni. I'm gonna put her Instagram stuff underneath, and my hair was installed by Nash. So I'm about to get ready right now. Just trying to fix the lighting. I'm about to get ready and I'm gonna show you guys what I'm wearing. It's just a cute little outfit, and my boyfriend dropped me off a gift. He just came right now, he just left. So I got a gift. So he dropped me off shoes. I'm gonna unbox them with you guys a bit later, but I'm just trying to get ready, and then I'll catch you guys in a bit, okay?
Then dip me underway. You can feel my mind for flow. Hold me till I scream forever, and wash me over until my will runs dry. Send all your sins all over me, baby, baby, baby.
I'm not a tequila fan.
I'm also not.
Okay, never drink that again.
No.
I don't understand people that drink us like this. Those things that get you. Yeah, sharp.
I don't know what we're drinking. We're drinking a coffee mix.
Yo,
Some water for us.
I can't.
Thank you.
I don't like cake. Hi guys, so I just got back home from dinner with Retha'S. It is currently 11 o'clock and like literally 11 o'clock on the dot, like literally. So I just got back home, and for everyone that has been asking me about my outfit details, I'm gonna tell you right now. I got these shoes from Steve Madden. I didn't unbox them with you, but I got them from Steve Madden. They're like really cute, and Steve Madden shoes are quite uncomfortable, so I got these ones. They look like the block heel, so I love those. I was wearing that. I got this blazer from H&M, this bodysuit from Zara, and the leggings, split pants are also from H&M. So these are the shoes. I was carrying my Gucci bag. I do believe that I need a new Gucci bag. And my face was done by Noni, Beats by Noni on Instagram. I'm gonna put her details underneath. My hair was by Nash. So I'm gonna unbox a few things with you guys. Let me just get them real quick. Inside. Okay, so as you guys saw at the beginning of the video, I have new sneakers to unbox with you guys. My boyfriend got these for me, so he's really cute. I wanted them for the longest time, and he was just like, don't worry about it, sweetheart. So this is the box, like this, and these are the shoes. Look at the detailing. It has the blue, the pink, the black, and the green. So I like these, and the green over here. So I really like these. These are cute. These are really cute. I don't know if you guys want to know the price, but I don't think the price is important. But 2.1, so they're not expensive, especially for Lacoste shoes. I think they are quite reasonable. Got these in a size 3, and yeah. So I'm not gonna ramble too much. I'm gonna see you guys tomorrow. I have nothing to do tomorrow. It's a Saturday. I'm gonna be bored. I'm gonna be at home. So yeah. So ghetto because I left all my makeup products and my toiletries. Okay guys, so I just washed my face. As you guys can see, I don't have any makeup on, and I moisturized my face with sunscreen. This is the Dem Opal moisturizing sunscreen over here. It's really good, and it works really well on my skin because I also ran out on my moisturizer from the Body Shop, so I've been using this as an alternative. So yep, I'm about to go to bed right now. I'm just gonna chuck on my pajamas and chuck on my bonnets and sleep. And I also need to unbox a laptop with you guys, but I don't think I'm gonna do that. Also, what else did I want to tell you? Oh, Retha'S and I went to the Godfather, the one in Sandton. We're meant to go to the one in Midrand, but we decided to go to the one in Sandton because it's a bit closer, as I was at home, and it was also closer to her place as well. Guys, the lighting is doing wonders, hey? Oh, my light is on. So I'm about to go to bed. I'm gonna resume the vlog tomorrow if I have anything interesting to do. If not, then yeah. But I actually did want to go out for breakfast again. As you guys saw, I went to Cappuccino's. I tried out their, what's this? What was it? The French toast. The vanilla French toast with bacon and syrup. That was quite good. But yeah, but I don't think I'm gonna go anywhere. But without rambling too much, let me just go to bed and I'm gonna see you guys in the morning. I just need to drink my water. I need to take my water and take my vitamins and my pills, and I'm good to go. Good night. Good morning, everyone. It is a new day. It is a Saturday. I do not have anything to do. I just woke up and did the bed. So I'm about to do my laundry because by the time I go back to my place, I want my clothes to be washed because when I get there I don't want to do laundry. So it's a new day today. I have nothing to do. It's a Saturday. Let me brief you guys with what happened yesterday. So it was Retha'S birthday dinner. It was quite cute. It was nice. It was quite intimate because it was her and I, so it was fabulous. We went to the Godfather. I've been there before. I've took you guys with me on my previous vlog. We went to the Godfather in Sandton. We're meant to go to the one in Midrand, but we decided to come to the one in Sandton because it was closer for herself and me. So that's what happened. And I just wanted to show you guys, I'm about to take my supplements. So I take, because it says here before meals, so I need to take 1 tablet, but I take 2. So I take 1 before a meal, and then I take another one after like having lunch or so. So these are the vitamin C's. Focus please. No, focus here, my babe. There you go. These are the vitamin C. But there was this one that I saw on TikTok. Apparently it helps for clear skin. It is also the Clicks brand. It is a vitamin C and the zinc combined together. So I wanted to go look for those and I couldn't find them. So I found these ones instead. So I'm going to take it right now because I'm about to have myself either a cup of coffee or tea and then just do my laundry. Guys, I have a lot to say. I have a lot to say, but I choose not to say anything. I choose to keep quiet because you know what? Get at the peace. Get at the peace. And this onesie, I had this, I think, since high school, like matric. And it's crazy how it still fits me. It's crazy how it still fits me. But you know what? It's okay. But yeah, we're fine. My wig is still laid, so we good. I think this is like my second time doing a side parting. I'm not too mad about it, but I'm a middle part type of girl. Like middle parting is my thing. So yeah, let me just go have breakfast and sort out my life. I'm so hungry. There's literally nothing that I'm doing. I'm watching Lebu clean the pool while I eat. guys, so I just finished packing my laundry. I'm gonna get that ironed tomorrow or whenever. I dropped my sock. One sock of mine is here. Oh shit. So these are so warm and I can walk with these on the floor. But as I was saying, I just finished packing my laundry and I ordered pizza for the house because I was paying for that. Is that you? You're being awkward, man. Yeah, Puma. Oh, I was saying. What was I saying? Oh, I ordered pizza, so I'm waiting for that. I was craving for pizza. So, yeah. Like, my autofocus is not doing the things. Guys, anyways, I just uploaded a reel, okay? If you haven't watched it, please make sure that you watch it. If not, please go live. So, I think I'm done for today. I ate my pizza. I'm just wrapping up the dishes and I'm gonna have my tea and go to bed. Nothing interesting tomorrow. Another day, Sunday. My aunt's gonna do her makeup, so I might just film her while she's doing that with Noni again, the girl that did my face. So yeah, and I think I wanna go out. You see, I think I wanna go out for lunch. So I don't know. I'm not too sure. But I think I'm gonna go out for lunch on a solo date. But what's a solo date without Habli? What's a solo date without Habli? It doesn't make sense. Yeah. Guys, this over here, she's the girl that she thinks she is. She is literally the girl. Like, it's so good, it's so amazing. I'm plugging y'all. Don't say I don't plug y'all.
Sick of the smarties and feelings? Use ACC 601 a day, suitable from 40 years of age.
Out. Oh, guys, I need perfumes, hey? Like, I need perfumes. I'm running out on literally just everything. I'm gonna go to Eastgate because it's the closest place with Hadley, so I'm just gonna have that. And I'm craving for a margarita. So those are the vibes. Those are the vibes. So I'm using the scent today. Please focus. Please, Claire. I'm using the scent. It's the Hugo Boss. It's nearly finished. Like, I'm literally running out. And then I pair it with the, I think it's the Dolce. Yes. Then I pair it with this one. You guys have already seen this one. Please focus. Oh, go see him. No. Yeah. I'm pairing it up with this one. Because, I mean, there's the sun. The sun is out. So this is a bit floral. So yeah, guys, I'm going to show you guys my outfits and the shoes that I'm wearing. But you guys already know these jeans. They're like open over here and I'm wearing a bodysuit. So these are boyfriend jeans. So let me just wrap up. And my battery is low. My camera battery is low. Oh, smagat. Let me just wrap up. Okay guys, so this is what I'm wearing. I just need to fix my bodysuit. And I'm wearing my Lacoste sneakers. I'm about to head out. My Uber's out. So let's go. I am already about to leave. My Uber's outside. I don't understand why they park next door. Guys, one thing about Uber Go, I'll get that Toyota Aiga or whatever. Excuse me.
Then dip me underway. You can kill your mouth for flow. Hold me till I scream for air breathe. And wash me over until my will runs dry. Send all your sins all over me, baby, baby, baby.
My friend is a graduate, bitches.
Oh, yeah. I forgot.
Guys, I need the key. I need to call my cousin to open for me. I'm home, guys. 7 o'clock on the dot. Label. Vala. Seminya. Yeah, went on a solo date. I just got back home, guys. So I'm about to end the vlog here. I hope you enjoyed it. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and to comment down below. Until next time. I hope this vlog is a bit long, because if it's not, then I don't know. Let me show you guys my outfit. Let me put you right over here. So that's what I'm wearing. Hi. Bye guys.